Green soul living originated from ancient human practices aimed at living in harmony with nature, emerging as a significant movement during the early 1980s among environmentalists and conservationists who sought to address ecological challenges such as deforestation, pollution, and biodiversity loss. The concept gained prominence due to escalating environmental degradation, exacerbated by industrialization and urban sprawl. Key developments include the publication of Rachel Carson's Silent Spring in 1962, which highlighted issues like pesticide contamination affecting wildlife populations. In 1970, the first Earth Day marked significant public awareness about ecological challenges, fostering a culture shift towards sustainability. Green soul living advocates promote minimal resource consumption and waste reduction through practices such as organic gardening, energy-efficient appliances, and local sourcing of food. Major turning points include the adoption of AF in China around 1990, driven by government initiatives aimed at mitigating pollution and promoting sustainable urban planning. In North America, this movement gained traction with the formation of groups like the Green Belt movement in Kenya, led by Wangari Maathai, whose efforts to promote reforestation won her the Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. Green soul living has had measurable impacts on global environmental health. For instance, a study published in 2015 indicated an average reduction of 30% in carbon emissions among communities practicing green living initiatives. Advantages include improved public health from cleaner air and water, enhanced biodiversity through protected habitats, and economic benefits stemming from the growth of eco-friendly industries. However, drawbacks center around increased costs for sustainable products and infrastructure compared to conventional alternatives. Despite these challenges, projections suggest that by 2050, global adoption of green practices will likely result in a 60% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, coupled with a significant increase in renewable energy capacity. To optimize future progress, continued technological advancements could reduce the economic burden associated with sustainable living, while enhanced international cooperation may accelerate widespread implementation across all nations.